Okay, so I'm going to go over how to assemble the Tommee Tippee made for me wearable pump. In terms of putting a smart pump together, I don't know that I have ever seen a design quite this thoughtful. They thought through how a new exhausted mother may need a little extra guidance in getting her new pump together. So we're actually going to start with the bottle. So you've got this white piece that's you're going to have seated on top of the bottle. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the duckbill and you're going to seat it right here on the bottom. That's it. That's all you have to do there. And then you're going to take your diaphragm duckbill combo and you're actually just going to push it together. And you can see the grooves fit directly into here. It's going to fit nice and neat. Once it is nice and neat and in place, you're going to take it and you're going to put it in here. You can see it looks like a little snowman. You're going to put the duckbill in the tiny part of the little snowman, and it just sits down into there nice and flush. If you look at the side here, you can see there's a yellow dot and a green dot. And what that is it is actually going to help you align the two pieces that need to screw into this to make the bottle. So if you look at the bottle, there's a little green dot. All you're going to do is take the green dot here. Let me turn this around so you can actually see, and line it up with the green dot there. And then it shows you which direction to turn. And you just turn until it's tight. So that's all you have to do there. When you come up here, you're going to look at this part and you're going to see, hey, there's that little yellow dot and an arrow. So you're going to come back around, find the yellow dot. You're going to put those two together and turn in the direction of the arrow. And what that's going to do is it's going to actually line up these top pieces, because this hole right here is where the base of that flange is going to sit down into. So it's trying to make sure that it's in just the right spot. So you can see that that is going to be seated into there, and that's how that is going to fit ultimately. So then what you do is you take your flange and it slides into this part here. Now this part is very easy to align. You can see there's little grooves on the side. You're just going to slide this into here. And then you're going to press the release button in to activate that ring. And you're going to take this. And there you go. So if you try and pull this flange out, it's not coming out unless you disconnect the bottle, because it's actually seated into the bottle. So in terms of assembly, this is super, super easy. I really think they did an excellent job making this very easy to assemble for moms. So that's all you need to do to assemble this pump.